for girl. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for what? X for Xmas tree.